Welcome back to Code to Cortex. Today we will be doing create firewall rule to enable SSH access lab. So this is a challenge lab in which we are given a challenge scenario which we have to tackle. However, we are not given any commands to copy or paste, but we have to create our own for this one. In this video, I will be using command that is working for this lab. However, I would like to encourage you to use that command only after you properly understand it. I will be explaining every part of that command to you, and only after you understand everything, we will copy that command from the notepad and then we will run it in the cloud shell. So first, we'll click Start Lab. Meanwhile, it is starting, you can read the challenge scenario in which we have to know about what we are trying to do here. So there's no firewall at this moment which allows SSH to this instance, and our task is to create a firewall rule so that we can connect to the instance through SSH. So while it is starting, let's go on to the code. The code is provided in the description, so check it out. After copying that code, you have to paste it in the notepad like this. So what you are seeing here is the code that we'll be using to run in this lab. So first, let's break down what it is doing. So here you see CTC. So what this represents? It's just a variable which stores the VPC network name of the existing VM into a variable. Okay, so it's just a random variable which you can use. You can use anything else. Now, what is happening here? As you can see, the gcloud compute instance list format value name. What does this long thing means? The value name which you are seeing here ensures only the name is returned, means the clean output. And this value zone which you are seeing here, what does it mean? It fetches the zone where the instance is running. So you don't have to do anything, just that. Then what you are seeing here is network interface 0.network.basename, which may look like complex, but let me break this down for you. So network interface is 0, which means the first network interface, and network.basename means it returns only the VPC name, not the full URL. So instead of manually typing the VPC name, it dynamically detects the network of the existing instance and stores it in the given variable which we selected CTC. Okay, so now the next is creating the firewall rule. As you can see, the next command starts from here. So it creates a firewall rule named allow.ssh, as you can see, that allows SSH traffic to instances. Okay, so let me break this down for you as well. As you can see, this creates the command. This is the name of the firewall rule that we will be using. This is the network, the variable that we assigned. Now, as you can see, we have allow equals to TCP22. What does it mean? So it allows the TCP traffic on port 22, which means the SSH, which we have to solve basically. Okay. Next is source ranges. So it allows traffic from any IP address. This makes the SSH accessible from anywhere, which is the problem here in this lab. And the target tags HTTP servers applies the rule only to instances that have the tag HTTP server. So the command automatically detects the VM's VPC network and creates a firewall rule that allows the SSH access from anywhere to instances with the specified network tag. So after understanding it completely, we will copy this command and paste it here and hit enter. So after this command is completed, we will come back here and click check my progress. And it is completed, which means that we solved the challenge scenario. So now, congratulations, the lab is complete. Now Congratulations, the lab is complete. Now you can just end this lab. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos.